Hey, it's Mr. Peace here at Stadley Rough School in Danbury, Connecticut, home of the Stallions. It's my third time coming to visit them here. It's been a couple of years since my last time that I got to set foot here in their elementary, but just a great day, beautiful morning. Got to speak to all the grades, K through 5, in 2 separate presentations. The focus again was on bullying. Look at someone's heart first. So I was welcomed by a lot of the student leaders that made posters. They're all around the school, talking about kindness, talking about compassion, talking about respect and love, that we can all choose that, right? And to know that we all have this ability to make a difference even at a young age, that's a huge life lesson to understand, right? And so we know our heart's as big as our fist. If we can let love and kindness, empathy fully enter into here, we can turn that into this, right? Peace sign, one finger is ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourself. It's also 2, because it's just 2 seconds, 1, 2, 1 heartbeat, 1 word, 1 breath, 1 action, 1 tweet, 1 DM, virtual or in person. We can say something so kind, stays on someone's heart in a great way for the rest of their life, or we can say something so negative, stays on their heart in a very bad way for the rest of their life. So we have this choice, and to know that we can always choose love over hate. That's something that's not always easy to do or to forgive, but it's something that we have to do, right? This world needs more kindness, needs more people and leaders that are gonna be the change that they wanna see. And like Gandhi talks about, we must be that change. Not just be the change, but we must. So that means that if we want more kindness here at our school, here in Connecticut, that we really need to live it. Right? It's not just talking about it, but it's walking the walk. And so there was a lot of emotion today from a lot of the students, and I was very fortunate to hear from them and understand some of their situations, what they're going through, but to know that even if they are hurting, we can always say that hurt people. A big reason why people bully, but healed people heal people. So yes, tears are strength, or the sweat of our strength. It means we're starting to heal and feel, right? That we're really finally starting to come into that emotion. And hopefully we'll get past some of that, right? And then once we do, then we can go support other people around us that really need to feel that sense of love. That also ties into one of the concepts I bring up in all my presentations, which is this right here, that all of us with the lines on our hand, we have the letter M. I traced one of mine here, the front of my shirt. This M stands for miracle, upside down W for worthy, that we are beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it, but we have to believe this. And once we do, we can go be that light to someone else's heart by showing them that same kindness that was shown to us. And it's just imperative, that we continue to just kind of be that light for others and really try to lift others up, that we rise by lifting others. And if we can do that, it not only feels good to show that kindness, but the more that we are able to give it, the more that we actually do receive it, right? To be able to keep our hearts open, even if we've been in pain or had some, things happen to us, if we're able to still keep that heart open, that we can start to make friends, some true friends that always see us for our heart first. So thank you again for touching my heart. You're all beautiful. Never forget that. Hope to see you all again soon. Until then, they'll have a great rest of the school year, and always just keep remembering to just do the right thing, which is to treat yourself and others with respect. As always, make sure to hit the subscribe button too. You'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to check out my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.